Welcome to the AMS Pathfinder Hacks video series. This is the first in a 5-part series. This first video will focus on how to eject a part, and rather than explain it, I'll just show it to you. In a situation where we do a lot of bending where we call it a butt plate joint cover, where you have a flat section with a closed hem on both sides, and that's the entire piece. So this will demonstrate how, after the last hem is closed, to have the machine push the part out so you can grab it without having to put your fingers underneath the clamping head. So this particular part, we'll go ahead and we'll start out with a 1/2 inch. We'll just do a closed hem, and you'll want to put in a 2-inch segment. You could go 2 or 1.5, but we'll just go with 2. And you want to add an angle. And on our machine, we are set up to do the inside angle. If your machine is set up to do the bend angle, then you'll want to have 0. So you just want that basically to be straight. And then for the part that I'm doing, it's a 5.5 inch flat, so I'll need to go 3.5 inches. And then we'll add another hem and another 1/2 inch segment. So once it's highlighted, you can see there's the 2 inches, there's the 3.5, so it adds up to 5.5, 1/2, 6.5, and that's what my blank is. We'll go into the sequencer, and you'll want to have your number 3 hem first, your number 1 second, and then the bend number 2 third. So that looks to be this one right here. Nope, not that one. Come on, you were there. There we go. So 3, 1, 2. So you can see what it's going to look like for that last bend. And we're going to do some changes to make it so that that will actually function that way. I'm not going to go through and change the hem differences, but you'll see what I'm going to do here, and then I'll show you, in addition to this video, how it looks like when you're bending. So for this last bend, I'm bending 24 gauge steel, and it's a 12-degree overbend angle is the calibration that I have. So you want to change this to -12. So basically you're telling the machine, I don't want you to bend at all. And then for the clamp close position, I'm going to go a 1/2 inch. And our machine is set to come up to 0.4 inches. So when I get to this point, I'm already past the 1/2 inch clamp close position. So all I'll have to do once this program goes is hit the begin bending pedal. Nothing else needs to take place. So I'm going to pause this, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I bend it. Okay, this is what it'll look like when you bend it. Sorry about that adjustment. I want you to see the foot pedal. Okay, now this is where the cool happens. There it is. You can hear the back gate going back to the beginning.